हेलो दोस्तों, एजी एक और आवाज़ में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे यू विल सी द कंडीशन ऑफ बेगर्स एंड व्हाई आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो बिकॉज आई वांट टू मेक यू अवेयर विद बेगर्स दैट देयर कंडीशन ऑफ लिविंग लाइफ एंड देयर the condition of beggars, that how they are living in India, and the very bad condition you have seen regarding with beggars. Like, I have many questions to ask you. Like, have you ever seen beggars? Have you ever seen the condition that in that condition they are living is good or bad, with your ideology? And I hope that you have ever seen the condition of beggar because you are living in India. You have seen. and and the second question, how you treat with beggars when you see the beggars. Like, आप रोड साइड जाते हैं, आप ट्रैवलिंग पे जाते हैं, आप ऑफिस जाते हैं, आप स्कूल जाते हैं, कॉलेज जाते हैं, आप इंडियंस हैं, आप ट्रेवल करते हैं, आपने बेगर्स को देखा होगा एंड आप जानते हैं कि बेगर्स की कंडीशन कैसे हैं हमारे इस आधुनिक भारत में। एंड बेगर्स की कंडीशन क्यों इंक्रीज़ नहीं हो रही है, उनकी उनकी कंडीशन जो है, उनकी पॉपुलेशन इतनी नहीं है। लाइक, उनकी कंडीशन को, उनके रहने, उनके शेल्टर को, उनके फूड को उनमें इम्प्लीमेंट किया जा सके। हम इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं उनकी कंडीशन को। एंड हम आप बात कर रहे हैं कि आपने देखा है, आपने ज़रूर देखा है उनकी कंडीशन को, कैसे वो स्लम्स में रहते हैं, कैसे वो रोड की साइड रहते हैं, रोड के किनारे रहते हैं। एंड वो आस्किंग, दे आर आस्किंग, सिटिंग on the road and lying on the road and standing on the roadside. You have seen that they are asking for food, money, and all the things that all the very basic things, um, in the medium that increase the livelihood of their self. That is the reason that why they are calling beggars. And you have seen, I think. And how you treat with beggars, they are the god create, they are also the god creativity. You cannot ignore them, you cannot mind them that they are not the creatures. Like, जब आप देखते हैं आप कैसा बिहेव करते हैं उनके साथ, आप एनिमल नेचर तो नहीं शो करते हैं, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द रियली बैड थिंग टूवर्ड्स ह्यूमन काइंड। एंड इफ़ यू आर रियली a good personality, if you are really fantastic enough to support them, to give them foods or a little bit cloth, and for their living life a little bit with calm and happiness, आप बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान हैं। एंड उनके चेहरे पर अ लिटिल बिट स्माइल लाने के लिए आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा ग्रेटफुल हैं। अगर आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं तो करें, बिकॉज़ आप, हमने देखा है लाइक बेगर्स की कंडीशन बहुत ही ज़्यादा बुरी होती है। एंड उनकी कंडीशन जो है, हम देख कर, हम उनको जब देखते हैं तो हम ऐसा ट्रीट करते हैं उनके साथ जैसे वो कोई डस्ट पार्टिकल्स हों, बट ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए। वो भी एक गॉड क्रिएटिविटी हैं एंड गॉड क्रिएचर हैं एंड लाइक अस। एंड वी शुड ऑल्सो know the condition, why these condition arise to making the beggars. And government should focus on this. I have made video, you just go and see that video, what is the reality with beggars। एंड आपको उनके साथ बहुत ही नम्रता से पोलाइटली बिहेव करना चाहिए। यू शुड नॉट गो ब्रस्ट विथ देम, यू शुड रूड, there is no rudeness to show with them, because they are the creatures, they are god gifted and you are god gifted। and when god was making them na, they don't know where they will fall in on this planet, because ये प्लैनेट है, यहाँ पे कोई भी कहीं पर भी गिर सकता है, कहीं भी किसी भी क्रिएचर का जन्म हो सकता है। हम उन्हें ऐसा ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते कि वो क्यों, वो इसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं है कि वो बेगर्स, एमंग बेगर्स जन्म लिए हैं। एंड what we can do actually for their betterment, for their welfare, हम इंडियंस हैं, और वी ऑन एंड एवरी क्रिएचर्स ऑन दिस planet, and in the map of India are living, they are Indians actually, and we should treat them well. And government should focus among beggars, that saying is the government not saying the condition of beggars, also saying, but not working in the field of beggars. This is the reality of that India is not developed yet. And equal treatment, equal opportunity, equal livelihood condition, equal shelter, and all the, because why they are calling beggars, because they have no proper food, no proper shelter to live, and they have no proper things to arrange food via policies, and government have not provided them any kind of policy. That's why their condition is not implemented and improved. And we should also, we are Indians, we should look a little bit towards beggars, and when we are saying beggars, we should not treat them ill. And we are the Indians, they are the Indians, they are the creatures, they are the God gifted, because आप rich हैं, आप wealth हैं, and आप help कर सकते हैं. If you are able, help others. If you are not able, say kindly, I'm not able to help others, and there is no anything to feel sorry if you are not able to help them. If you are able, you should do actually here, so that their status in the in India, like, not go worse than that our, like, they are beggars, are not belonging to any caste, they are the beggars actually, and lying on the road and dying on the road, and they're saying the condition of beggars. I really feel so sorry, and I hope that this video, through this video, you will aware the people, like, and the government actually should do. I don't know my voice will reach towards the government or not, but yeah, I am making this video so that a little bit population should know the condition of beggars, how they are living, and in slums, the small child that don't know about their future, and about their life, what their health. But yeah, we should not minding them a bad thing, are dust particles, they are also the living things or living creatures around us living, and we should help them a little bit, and we should not treat them like, if you are rich, if you are not and not like dealing with them with proper manner, with proper behavior, you are not the humankind, you are not the god gifted, you're not the god sending humankind, that god wanted to make you actually. If you are rich, it's your it's your it's your ancestors providing a gift to you. If you, everybody's life have struggles, everybody's life is not in the previous time not good, but yeah, after studying they are able to making their life better, far better than worse than that. Yeah, actually this happens with beggars. And if you cannot say go away from here, if you see beggars, you cannot treat them ill, and you badly cannot treat them, because if you are good, if you are that's god gift to you. If you are rich, that's, if you are rich, if you are beautiful, that's god gift to you. And if you are born in beautiful life, it's god gift to you somewhere. But if you live your life with beautiful and with helping and serving people, that is the real gift to god towards you. And thanks for watching this video, and we will meet you soon. And we should help around us the needy people, so that their condition would improve a little bit, living around us. Thank you so much. We will meet you soon with a new wonderful video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.